How y'all doing? I was using ICT's chart colors just for the. I was using ICT's chart colors and I was demo trading this morning, and I think it has something to do. I think it improves your ability. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so here we have a little possible market maker buy model. Um, I know I always have a lot of stuff on my chart, but I need to start like locking these things. But they're all beneficial here, in my opinion. That's why I have them on my chart. I want to make sure this is right. Should be a new day opening gap. Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's locked. So we came back down into a deep discount. We have this weekly volume balance that we're trading into as ES was trading into a new week opening gap. ES then traded up into buy side, and now we just hit first presentation right here. That could have been possible short down into here. Possible, probably going to trade in this old daily high, and this is a 5-minute order block here. So you got a 5-minute order block open. You also have a 5-minute BISI here. So we kind of have created a balanced price range here. We have sell side imbalance and a buy side imbalance here, and then we have buy side that rests up here. We trade above a new week opening gap here, above a new day opening gap, but notice what is kind of in the air right here. We have this new day opening gap. So the fact that we're really respecting this on the 5-minute, look at the wicks, look at the wicks, look at the bodies. We mohawked up into this new week opening gap right here. Also traded back up into this, in these. So this to me seems like, hey, we could trade into this imbalance here. So I think there's like and we also have a 15-minute imbalance there. So I think there was a little opportunity right here at that. And then that's all I really saw. Then we have a SIBI here, and we also have trailed stops here. Everyone that thinks that wanting to chase this, here we have trailed sell stops. I was watching ICT's live stream this morning, and then I just exited it because I kind of want to get on here and do my own thing. And he kind of was going over just market symmetry. We also have this buy side imbalance all the way down here that I originally did want to see get traded into, and even though we traded higher, I still think that for some reason I just think that this will get traded into. It's also a first presentation. I did take a few trades. I'm just gonna show them. Obviously, they're just my execution, so there's no need for me to be right. There's no need for me to be wrong. They're just some execution, so that I'm sharing here. I tried to do like a little buy here. We're at constant growth of a wick, and for some reason I just got like I wanted to see that, so I just had like a little buy there with a very small stop. Probably not the best execution there. And then I tried to sell here, and then here we finally got the trade there, and then this got stopped at a little less than break even, and then right there. The fact that we were meandering around this weekly volume balance as well, like if we were in a sell model, we still want to continue lower, which ES could have continued to its daily sell side, but didn't. So like that was what I was looking at, and ES was stuck within a new week opening gap, current new week opening gap. So I bought here, and I sold here. These are these. I feel like I should be able to hold. I should hold longer, you know, but it's cool. All right, now we're back into that SIBI, so into that BISI. I do like ICT's chart settings. I'm not gonna lie. I do like these like black candles. Okay, we're in a 15-minute BISI. This though just looks pretty aggressive here. ES just straight up cleared buy side liquidity. And ES is currently within this. We have new day opening gap here as well. Nice little sell model here. Look at the old daily high right here. New day opening gap. First presentation gets traded to. This is current first presentation. Look at the bodies respecting that. Trade lower. Right there. SIBI. Order block. It's a redelivered rebalance. This is previous day low here. We're also back within that SIBI that would use inversion here. We just traded from premium back down to kind of equilibrium here. Like after seeing this big a run, I think it'd be more probable that we do trade it here this low. Kind of create a balanced price range. Very nice delivery. I kind of like that gap here. You also have an up close candle here. In terms of delivery, all this is balanced here, so volume balance, constant encouragement. We have a BISI there. Let's see if we leave that or if we want to kind of retrace right here. And obviously we have sell side that rests here, and then we have all this nonsense that I have on my chart. The most important array is this new week opening gap, which is that pretty close to that volume imbalance. Alright, now let's see if we get a retracement into this from that old previous, or not old, but just previous day low. Also have order block here. I kind of want to change this to yes, sir. I need to change the it's a little too dark for me. The wicks here. Yes, if like looking at the 5 minute, it just looks like we want to attack this. I want to take attention to the daily chart here real quick. That SIBI, we have that upper quadrant right there we traded into, and now we're trading here. Ooh. I want to see this act as an order block, and right now we're getting responsiveness off that, or we got responsiveness off that wick here. Very nice. So right now at this moment, oh shoot, we have this low that I would like to see maybe get delivered into. Propulsion block, constant encouragement, or sorry, mean threshold. Also have that nice down close candle right there as well that we've traded into. So overall, although we could trade into this low here, for me, I'd have to be cautious of this. Jeez, I feel I kind of want to just like when I'm on stream, I feel like I should just have a layout that's less algorithmic, and then I'll just have this chart over here, a little more aesthetic, you know. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. Look at the bodies are respecting that up close candle as I change this. See, I don't like that. Look at that. Opening range, 75% as well. A little late today. A little late. I was watching Ice-T's live stream. What's good, Ethan? It's also his breaker here. It's already been used once, so I don't really wouldn't like to see a retracement. We're kind of stuck here. We're at an old low. We trade up into here, and this would be here. I don't. Admittedly, I don't really like this right here. I mean, if you're looking for a trade, I mean, we did trade into this, the breaker. Possibly, yes. Trade up here. We have a bunch of equal highs. And we have this high as well. I don't know. I think it's just best to try to avoid this here, in my opinion. So I'm gonna try to avoid it. Like we're just reaching up into a premium here. I want to see if this fails or not. I'm gonna mark it gray. So too deep of a premium here. I mean, if this holds here, that's kind of telling that we probably do want to see the buy side here. I think it might take a while to trade to this buy side though. We're within that new day opening gap right now, and right now we're breaking below it. Yeah, see, that's what I would not, especially if I was long here, I would not want to see that. I would look for that as like the draw. And now you kind of have these equal lows here. We respected an old daily low there as well. Now we traded through a new day opening gap here. Buy side imbalance and a sell side imbalance here. I just don't think it's anything of value though. I'm gonna remove that. I don't need that on my chart anymore, but still noting this buy side imbalance here. See if we use this. I would like to see that stay open. I don't like that we traded above that. We're kind of stuck here. We displaced lower, we made a low, and then we made a high. So we have this dealing range here. Around equilibrium of that, so more prone to consolidate. I do like this sell side liquidity and the fact that we have that BISI right there. So I would lean for right now at this moment, if we hold new week opening gap, to want to see a trade there lower. And I actually kind of like that, the fact that we broke down here. Nothing of, nothing yet. $51. Like I don't really love that. I don't really love this. Like if I were to trade that. Definitely think we're stuck here. Prone to consolidate. I mean, we've already expanded so much. We've already done plenty already. Now we're back here. The bodies. I still haven't really messed around with prop firms. I tried TopStep. I tried TopStep like for one thing, and then My Funded Futures gave me like a free funded account to kind of experiment, but then they took it away because I wasn't. I don't know. After a while, if I were to use a prop firm, I would probably use TopStep personally. TopStep and then maybe Apex. Those are the two that I would use if I were trading futures. But like I don't really know too much, and that's really not that's none of my concern right now at all. Which is why I'm not personally a big fan of prop firms because they're just a distraction in my opinion, especially for new traders. Just focus on getting better at your skill, not about money. Like I generally love doing this, so for me, like showing up here and just watching these charts, watching the candles, like this doesn't feel like work. Like I could do this all day. And focusing on this skill rather than just trying to get money because like money is just a byproduct in my opinion of just who you are. We are within an old first presentation here right now. I did like how we traded back up into the low of that here. You also have this gap here, it acts as inversion here. Like this could be a decent trade. Like that trade in that Civi. For me, I'll stay out. I would look for this BISI. I wouldn't get out there. I would aim for that. Also old, it's a new day opening gap as well. I would aim for that. I would like to see speed with the next like I don't like we just created a big wick here. I would want to see a displacement now. Like I don't want to see this get respected. With the next two candles, I think we should spool towards here if we want to go there. Yeah, like that. I would exit my trade. I wouldn't enter here. What array do we have? We have we have this breaker here actually. Like even though we did deliver to the high end of that, like I still think I think we're gonna go back higher here. Now buy side here. Buy side and sell side below us, but neither of them taken, so I would stay still. I'm staying still here. I would like a little something right there. Bang. I don't want to see a close below mean threshold of this. See if we use this as inversion here, and if we use this as a reclaimed. See, I don't like that. We did come up and take this buy side, but I still think that we do want to trade a little higher here. It's because we have that first presentation. There's an old first presentation here that's kind of, at least that's what I think. I mean, I could be wrong. I'm just here. I'm just here chilling, man. I'm trying to like get to settings to change the. How do I get to settings? I swear it was right click. New day opening gap, constant encroachment traded to. Inversion gap still holding. Just problematic price action here, and just nothing that's high probability. So hence this in the middle of a dealing range. I mean, yeah, like you could this could be traded, but we'll let it pass. There's more time within the day. I'll be right back. I just realized it was pretty dark in here. Don't use Apex though. TopStep has the best rules. I guess we'll see. I honestly don't have any plans of trading on a prop firm soon. To be honest, I'll probably go with a look at this first presentation here. I'll probably go with a. I'm giving myself probably. It'll probably be like a year, or like maybe 8 months before I'm trading on a prop firm, or on a live account. Which I know I probably could be on a live account now, but I'd rather desensitize myself and also find myself. You know. I'm just blessed I don't have like I don't need money. That Chipotle still paying still I still got that Chipotle money. All right, now we create a 1 minute SIBI here. The size of that. I'll just watch it. ES also looks pretty ugly. High resistance liquidity run. High resistance liquidity run. Don't touch the stove. Don't touch the stove. Macro trades higher into that inefficiency. That's what we delivered. We delivered that inefficiency, and then we just kind of distorting, but still creating a dealing range, generating some buy side here. We just took some sell side liquidity here. We have in this small fractal we have primary buy side, primary sell side. Now we have, what is this right here? Minor sell side and then minor buy side right here, right here. Okay, notice how we just traded from this sell side liquidity. We're now holding that first presentation still. We have this new day opening gap. I do like this buy side up here still, and the fact that I'm kind of it's probably a little too late here. We're using the macro here. I don't think we'll trade back into this. I want that to see a breakaway, but it's looking like we are gonna deliver here. We probably respected this perfectly too. Who would have guessed? I'll try something here. That's probably ILCD there. I want to see this. That's what I would want. I don't know if I'll get it. Definitely want to see this as a breakaway. But I think we'll still just watch this. We're in that new day opening gap as well. I gotta realize that. So I wouldn't want to see a trade here. If it were to trade here, that would be coloring outside the new day opening gap. So like that's something that I need to get a little bit better at. Just seeing it happen, and this as well. Noticing this. It's probably a 5-second entry right there. Yeah, buy side taken. Trading the Civi right here, and let's see if we do attack buy side. It's all good. Now that we have had this expansion here, I would like to see this traded too, but this very well could just be us trading up the buy side to then trade down the sell side here. Like, if I were in a live trade here, I would want to see this. Like, if I was in that, if I were to have entered and if I was holding this for me would have to support price. I would really want this to support price. I wouldn't want to see a retracement into this. Did ICT finish? Kind of went a little longer. Dang, it went like 20 minutes longer. Oh shoot.
Thank you, Cassie, thank you.
I do like that. Yeah, that was the entry. I wanted to see lower. I was got a little greedy there. Constant encroachment, that inversion level, we shouldn't trade back lower. And also in that new day opening gap, so let's see. How many points did that offer? Just here to here. Only 20. Here to here. Is that 60? Yeah, that's 60. Alright, here we're taking the high. don't like that. Also an old daily high. Yeah, I do like these chart colors. They're definitely growing on me already. I've been changing my chart colors like every month though. The body. Yeah, my opinion, I think we're stuck within this doing range here. So I'm gonna get these levels here. Can I go to 45 seconds? Is that a thing? I mean, this looks kind of bullish on the 13 minute. So like, does that sell side pool need to be traded into? Not really. Wait, hold up. That's a first presentation as well. I do like buy side up here, but I don't like that at all. Like I was getting a little like, man, we should see this soon, but that right there. Buy side 1 2 3 drive. Buy side, buy side, buy side. Big displacement lower. I don't like that. Also at what level? At 75%. Let's see if we trade back into that new day opening gap right here. New day opening gap right there. I would like normally I would like to see this Sibby. Right, I kind of still would, but I don't like this new day opening gap here. We also have this first presentation here that's not marked on this chart. Those are both conversion factors, and we have this pool buy side here, so it's best just to wait. It's best just to wait, you know. It's best just to sit still if there's nothing going on. Yeah, I don't like that though. I mean, I just don't think this price action is really tradable. Like with like high probably like yes, I think something here like there possibly could be maybe something to long here to take the buy side here. Now we drop down and we taking sell stops, but it's just like no, maybe this acting as inversion right here, but I really don't. Like, that's not really something that I personally like. Yeah, buy side here, and also I wouldn't want to take a long after just seeing this. You know, this is a change of state delivery on the 1 minute. I do want to kind of refine that to just this here. So I don't want to see any bodies close above that. Yeah, it's looking like we kind of are disrespecting that. Hmm. Yeah, this buy program right here. Continuously offering higher prices after we probably shouldn't. So to me, like yeah, I'm looking here still. That could have been a trade. For me, I'll sit still, happily. I already got my piece of honestly the week this morning on demo. I'm satisfied with those executions. That's all I really need. I do like that. Close above this. It's pretty bullish. It's probably an entry here. I would have a pretty tight stop here. I probably would already got stopped. We're not trading it because we're in high resistance liquidity run. So like, both sides are just as probable. All right, look at that Sibi. Yeah, now we want to seek here. First presentation. Let's see. I'll give that stop a little more room. I don't like that we disrespected that in that console encroachment. We do have this volume imbalance though. That's the last line of defense. I'm moving that stop immediately. I do like that trade to the volume imbalance. I'm just looking for a buy side, but I would think New Day opening gap could be a little barrier here if we do want to trade higher. I want to gravitate over to this chart. It's because I have all the good stuff. Yeah, first presentation was a barrier here, barrier here. See us trade above that. Imbalance right there. I don't really love all this though. We might need to trade back into that. Look at that first presentation. We're failing to reach a premium. I think this could be a place to reverse a position. Like, look for a short here and then look for these lows. In my opinion, I feel like we should have displaced there. We failed to at that first presentation. Now we're attacking this range. Volume balance. You have that. Just here, this trade, I mean, very small loss. I'm completely fine with that. But I just think like, hey, yeah, we are in a deep premium. Remembering we still have left sell side here, and right now we're just traded below new day opening gap. I would like to catch a part of this, but I don't really want to enter now. But We have this SIBI here. We have a SIBI here above New Day opening gap, which I wouldn't want to see traded into. All of this is balanced here, and we would just trade it up in there. So I think this could be a place where we just tear down. I don't really want to trade it here, honestly. I think I'll just stop. I've already got more than enough that I need for the day. I don't really need anything else. I'll take that little small loss. Anyways, I'm gonna end stream. Hope you all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you all